Hi all, welcome back to the Testing Mentor. There's a moment every tester recognizes. Just before the failure appears, the pipeline has been running for a while. The earlier stages are green. You almost trust it. And then one test turns red. Not consistently, not predictably, just enough to make you doubt everything. That moment doesn't just break a build, it breaks confidence. Flaky tests don't just waste time, they slowly teach teams to ignore signals. Alerts get muted, failures get retried, and eventually red stops, meaning danger. That's when quality quietly leaves the room. The most dangerous thing about flaky tests isn't that they fail, it's that they fail without consequences. Blaming tools feels good. It gives us a villain. Selenium is old, Cypress is limited, Playwright is immature. If the tool is the problem, then the solution is very easy. Replace it. But comfort rarely leads to clarity. Because when flakiness follows you from tool to tool, it's trying to tell you something. Tests that assume the UI is ready. Tests that depend on yesterday's data. Tests that pass only when run alone. Tests that just need one retry. None of this is accidental. It's design, unintentional design, but design nonetheless. Flaky tests don't come from bad engineers, they come from unexamined shortcuts. Retries feel responsible. They make dashboards look stable. They reduce noise. But retries don't fix uncertainty. They hide it. A test that needs retries is telling you it doesn't understand the system it's testing. And systems don't like being misunderstood. At some point, something changes. Senior testers stop chasing green builds. They start chasing trust. Trust that a failure means something. Trust that a pass is earned. Trust that the system behaved exactly as the test expected because the expectation was explicit. Stable tests are slower by design. They wait intentionally. They control data aggressively. They isolate responsibility. They don't guess. And that slowness pays back in confidence, clarity, and sleep. Speed without control is just chaos moving faster. Tools matter, but not in the way we think. A better tool won't save poorly designed tests, but well designed tests will survive almost any tool. That's why some teams succeed even on outdated frameworks and others fail on the newest ones. When teams respect testing as a form of engineering, flakiness becomes rare, not because systems stop changing, but because tests stop guessing. Flaky tests aren't a tool problem. They are a signal, and signals are meant to be understood, not silenced. In the next video, we'll talk about how stable test suites are actually designed, not rewritten, but designed. When tests are flaky, the system isn't random, the thinking is. Thank you for watching the video.